Good morning friends, I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I will be showing you how to take cuttings of bougainvillea. That is the best method, and this is the Green Life Nursery in Muchisa, South 24 Gunas, Kolkata, near Kolkata, and I will show you the top technique, everything about the taking cuttings of bougainvillea. Just have a look and just take a cuttings of around 1 centimeter to around 1 inch around diameter, and take cuttings here with the cutter. This is a cutter, and you have to remove all your leaves from here. And after removing leaves, around take 6 to 7 inches of cutting. Just have a look. Mr. Bishit Mondol is taking all the processing, showing you everything, how to take cutting, how to dip it in fungal solutions, everything. And I will show you the entire technique. Just take a cutting around July, August and September. These 3 months are the best for taking cuttings of this bougainvillea. Just follow the tips, everything, soil mixture, making it, processing it, everything. Just have a look how they are. In the morning time, they take the cuttings of bougainvillea of specific variety or cultivar. They have tagged the number in each plant, and they collect the twigs and stems here. You see every kind of twigs they collect, be it a thick or thin. Now after collecting the twigs, they remove all the leaves from here. Mark it that they are removing with the pruner or scissors, not with the hands. If you remove the leaves with the hands, you may damage the skin of the twigs or stems. Now after collecting 6 or 7 inches of cutting, they just dip in any fungal solution, antifungal solution. This is a sharp fungicide, 3 gram per liter, and then now dipping it for around 10 minutes. After dipping it in 10 minutes, they collect and dry it up. And I am showing the signboard here. You can visit here. Here the telephone number, address, everything given of this nursery, Green Life Nursery. And he is showing you how to take cuttings. And after removal of the leaves, they take around 7 inch of cuttings. This is around pencil thin cutting. If you want, you can take thinner cuttings also. In a long term, you can collect 3 cuttings or 4 cuttings, and the tip portion you have to discard the tip portion, and this is the cutting ready. And after collecting it, you have to dip it in fungal solution. And now I am showing you the soil mixture you have to prepare. Take 40% dry garden soil, good quality dry garden soil, and add 10% vermicompost and 25% coco peat, good quality coco peat 25%. And in that we will be adding, here they are adding some rice husk, 25% rice husk for good drainage of soil, rice husk. If you don't have rice husk, you can add 25% sand also, that may also work, or may reduce sand to 15%. And the rest of things, after proper mixing, they fill up the polythene bags, 4-inch polythene bags. And if you are growing in polythene bags or any container, you should make it sure that there should be holes at the bottom or the sides. And now he is filling up the 4-inch plastic pot. And after filling it, you have to water it, you have to water it properly, then you can grow the cuttings here. And I am asking for cuttings which are soaked in fungal water, antifungal water. After drying it up, he is showing you how much you have to bury it. Around 1.5 inch you have to bury it inside, and you can keep it in a shady area. This is the shade, big shade here. These are the cuttings grown around 1 month back. They have grown these cuttings, and now cuttings are ready fully, and they are ready to be transplanted. You see the plants of cutting, very thin cuttings, but they are grown very nicely. And they are grown in 4-inch poly bag. And you see all the roots are grown totally, and full mature plants within 1 month you can see the plants are ready. And you can transplant in bigger 5-inch or 10-inch pot. This is a big storehouse here. Around 50,000 polybags are here, and cuttings are there, making cuttings ready. Every month they produce around 50,000 plants here. So July, August, September month is the best for taking cuttings of bougainvillea direct cutting. Here is a lady showing you how they are growing the cuttings after soaking in fungal water. they are pushing it down to the growing bag, and in growing bag they have already moistured and watered the growing bag soil proportion, and after that she is using the antifungal powder come around some rooting hormone powder mixture, and he is showing us how to take cuttings. Just he has taken the cuttings, removing the leaves from here, and after removal of the leaves he will a slant cutting of around, and the cutting should be around 6 to 7 inch length, and after taking cuttings you have to soak it in fungal water, that will be better. And if not, this is the mixture of rooting hormone powder cutting aid and antifungal powder SAF. This is the 50% each, and now he is pushing down around 1.5 inch in soil. Soil is already moistened, it properly watered soil properly, then he is pushing down here, and after this within 20 days you will see all the leaves will come out, and within 1 month your cutting will be ready for the transplantation. This is the big store production house of this different more than 200 varieties of bougainvillea you can see here, and this is the Green Life Nursery, Muchisa, Kolkata, near Kolkata, and one of the finest bougainvillea nursery in and around Kolkata. And he is taking cuttings, around 3 cuttings he will prepare from this stem, and the tip portion you have to discard the tip portion, and rest of the portion you can 6 on 7 inch cuttings you can take here. And I am showing you the powders here they are using. This is the fungicide he is using, cutting powder, and is the fungicide here left side you can see. So this is the full procedure here. This is the soil mix here. I tell you, they have taken here 40% garden soil, 25% husk of the rice, 25% coco peat, and 10% vermicompost. This is the composition of soil, and prepare it at least. And this is the where just put it here totally, and after around 20 to 25 days you will get this one. These are the ready plants, and if you want you can buy plants, hybrid and dwarf variety plants from this nursery. So now I am showing you after a couple of days how you can see the roots here. These are the roots you can see developed, and totally plants will be developed in a couple of days. So this is, and after a couple of days you can transplant it. So you have to water it time to time, and after a couple of days I will show you how they will look like. And these are the roots here you see, totally complete. So you have to transplant in 5 inch pot or 7 inch pot or 8 inch pot you can transplant in, and this is the plants is ready. And you see this, all these plants are put here 1 month back, they have grown all the cuttings, and this is the cuttings how you can make it just easy and too easy to plant. So just try it in July, August and September, the best for taking the cuttings of all types of bougainvillea. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.